Hi guys, this is Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. I'm kind of trying to go through some of my stash right now, and because I have a lot of yarn right now. And this is a bathroom rug that I made. This is a real little shorty. So this is just for the potty. I can, and I probably will make a matching one for this or use just something else. But when I go to measure the potty, I put my hand down. And from working in the past, I sold furniture for a while. I learned to measure a lot of things with my body because sometimes, somebody's looking for a couch or a chair, and or you have to walk a couch, and maybe you're going to someone's home or something, to do some design work, and you just need to kind of know. So a lot of times, I use my body to measure, and I'll also measure. But like I figured around 6 inches this part here, and then depending on your bathroom, how long you want these. But anyway, this is a bathroom rug, just a little instruction and thought there for you. It's a good way to work up some of your extra yarn, and you can change up your bathroom as often as you want, and they're nice to, after you use them for a little bit, you can wipe the floor down and with the rug and wash it because it's just really thin. So, okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.